Hey, what is going on, guys? Tom Spark here, back with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a comparison between TorGuard VPN and NordVPN. Now, which VPN is worth the price? Which VPN is better to use overall? Should you buy either VPN? In this video, that's what we're going to discuss. So first thing we're going to discuss is the pricing. Which VPN has a better price? Let's dive into that right now. So here we go. We got TorGuard VPN's pricing page. Now you're going to see their pricing scheme right here. This is extra, this is extra, this is extra. The main thing you're going to be worried about right now is the anonymous VPN package. You could go ahead and click buy now, see some more breakdown here in their little description. So you can see that it's $9.99 for 1 month, quarterly $20, semi-annually $30, annually $60, and biannually $99. So that means for 2 years you could get TorGuard actually for $50 each year, which is cheaper than the $60 1-year price. So that's pretty good, $50 for a year. And I've seen slick deals on private internet access with a similar deal. So this is a pretty good deal here. So let's go ahead and look at NordVPN to see what kind of comparison they have in terms of price. Go ahead and click pricing. So right here you could see that the 1 month plan is $11.95. Let me remind you, TorGuard's 1 month plan is $9.99. Already much better deal with TorGuard. 1 year plan is $69. TorGuard's 1 year plan is going to be $59, so $10 more expensive there. And the 6 month plan is $42 compared to $29. So TorGuard wins on this pricing scheme. However, there are some caveats that I want to mention. One, NordVPN includes a dedicated IP with their Netflix, so you can watch Netflix integrated within this 1 month plan for $12. TorGuard is $9.99 for 1 month, but requires a streaming IP for Netflix, so that's going to be around $7.99 a month. If you do pick the annually, it's going to be a little differently priced. So keep that in mind. NordVPN might be a better deal for Netflix in the short term, but I've found that TorGuard's dedicated IP that you purchase for you uniquely actually has a better permanence for working with Netflix, whereas NordVPN, I think the way they work with Netflix is based on some kind of shared dedicated IP system, where the dedicated IP you're using is unique compared to the shared IP addresses issued to most VPN users, but is still shared in a way. So you're going to find that NordVPN might be a better deal for Netflix in the short term, but long term, I think TorGuard's going to have better reliability. So you're paying a little bit extra for that reliability, whereas NordVPN is just cheaper from the onset. So NordVPN also has a 30-day refund policy. TorGuard has a 7-day refund policy. TorGuard's support is a little bit better than NordVPN's if you have any problems, so keep that in mind. But NordVPN's refund policy is a little more generous with a 30-day compared to the 7-day. So I would still say that TorGuard wins for pricing just because the main VPN package is cheaper in each category significantly. So now let's talk about the applications. Which application is better? So here we have TorGuard and here we have NordVPN. You can see the differences in how their application is laid out right away. This one is more of a visual interface with the map. You could zoom in and kind of pick your server in a friendly interface, whereas TorGuard's is more about customizing the details. So for here you could see exactly everything is customizable. You could pick what kind of tunnel type you want. You can pick if you want to change your protocol. You can pick if you want to change your cipher. Whereas NordVPN, it's mostly just click to connect. Now let's look at the settings, because the settings are really where you start to learn some about your VPN. So here in TorGuard, let's go to the general tab. You can see most of these settings are for connecting and how the application behaves. You do have some of these features with NordVPN, as you can see right here, auto connect and things like that. Application kill switch. TorGuard has an application kill switch. Looks like NordVPN does. TorGuard has script support, and you're not really going to find script support within NordVPN if that's something you're into. Scripts can be useful depending if you want to customize how your VPN works, or customize some kind of kill switch there. Network tab is going to give you some more protection against WebRTC leaks and things like that. Some other kind of settings that play around with as well with your DNS. Now with NordVPN, unfortunately, I did find that sometimes when I used it, it would leak WebRTC information. So sometimes these websites would be able to see my IP even if my VPN was active, which is not good at all. Now, TorGuard also has the stealth proxy feature and proxy settings. You're not really going to find that within NordVPN either, so if that's something you're into. TorGuard also has the integrated dedicated IP system here where you could add in your custom dedicated IP. NordVPN has specialty servers like this. So if you want some more security with either PTP, this might be optimized for PTP, and this is the Netflix. So good options here from NordVPN. They have improved that part of the app. One thing I also want to mention is that TorGuard has this debug feature, but basically picking a server in either one is a little different as well. Like I said, this is going to be more visual. You're just going to click connect to it and it's going to connect. You're a little limited on how you can see the servers. You could just kind of pick the country if you want, and you could see the breakdown here, where with TorGuard you could pick an exact location. It just kind of depends on if you care about that or not. NordVPN uses more of a smart system where it automatically picks the best one for your location, whereas TorGuard, it's better to just pick the one that's closest to your location. These are the stealth VPN features here. So TorGuard recently kind of implemented this stealth VPN on every server here. So with stealth VPN, it's going to allow you to bypass more firewalls. You might be able to achieve something similar with a double VPN or onion over VPN, but I personally haven't tested these too much, but I do know that stealth VPN and its technology is very useful for unblocking VPN blockades and stuff like that at school. So overall, what is the difference between the two apps? I would say that TorGuard has a bit more customizability and control options, whereas NordVPN's app might be a little bit more user-friendly and easy to use. They have improved their app a lot since their first app, and TorGuard has improved the look and feel of their app as well. I would say that TorGuard is just as easy to use as well from the onset. If you don't want to customize anything, you could just click connect. As well as NordVPN, it's just pretty much just that as well, without some of the extra features that you'll see with TorGuard, like the ability to change your cipher. I also like how TorGuard is very transparent with these controls here, in that it lets you customize and see what kind of cipher you're using, whereas NordVPN kind of keeps that more under wraps. So now that we've covered the pricing and the applications, you might be wondering, well, which VPN is faster? For this video, we're just going to do a basic speed test to see a good comparison, but if you want to check out the torrent speed test, go ahead and check out the TorGuard and NordVPN reviews. So right now we're connected to TorGuard with OpenConnect protocol, and we're going to see what kind of speeds we're going to be able to get with TorGuard. So right away we have a pretty good ping. Doing the speed test, we're getting good download rates as well. Looks like we're going to be around 70 or so, 70 to 80 megabytes a second. Looks like we're dipping down a little, but really good ping, pretty good for browsing. Should be good for most everything actually. Now we're going to connect to NordVPN to see what kind of speeds we're going to get here. Go ahead and reload the page. Alright, testing out NordVPN, their speeds, to see what we get. Looks like NordVPN surpassed TorGuard in this speed test for now. So now we're going to take a look at the speeds from NordVPN in a live torrent test. And as you can see here, I sped it up a little bit, get more of a range, but pretty good speeds actually, between 5 to 8 megabytes a second. So you're going to get really good speeds with NordVPN with torrenting. Now I tested out the P2P server. Here with TorGuard, I am testing out their OpenConnect protocol, seeing what kind of range we're going to get here. Here it's almost a little bit faster than NordVPN, ranging from 13 to around 18 megabytes per second, so quite a bit faster for torrenting live real test. Here we're showing you some of the security features. Looks like with TorGuard you're not going to get any leaks. You don't see any WebRTC leaks or DNS or anything like that. As far as NordVPN goes, seems to be solid as well. You're not going to get any leaks with either of these VPNs in terms of IP leaks and things like that. Now both VPNs also have kill switches, so you can use that as a safe measure. One more thing I really want to touch on quickly is just live chat. TorGuard has it and NordVPN does not. Take that into account if support and talking to a VPN provider is a big thing for you. Now if you had come to me in 2015 and asked me who would win TorGuard versus NordVPN, I would have laughed in your face. NordVPN has gotten a lot of good reviews from big websites like PC Mag and stuff like that, who just kind of write VPN reviews as a way to make money. They don't really focus too much on it. They just kind of freelance it out. whereas I'm reviewing every single one of these VPNs, which gives me the ability to kind of compare them. So NordVPN and TorGuard 2017 there's not as much of a difference between the two. Now, both of these VPNs are going to give you good speeds. Both of these VPNs are going to give you pretty good security, and both of their apps are really easy to use. Now, there are slight differences here and there. TorGuard has live chat. NordVPN does not. NordVPN comes included with dedicated IPs within their Netflix usability. However, I think the system they're using is a little bit different. It's more of a kind of shared dedicated IP, so not quite sure how valuable that's going to be later on down the line when these IPs start getting blocked, or if they can just rotate them out or not. Now, TorGuard does require you to pay extra for a dedicated IP, but this dedicated IP is unique to you and is not going to be shared by other people, so I would wager that this is more of a permanent Netflix solution, and I've kind of covered that in other videos. In terms of pricing, TorGuard clearly wins in this comparison. TorGuard is just cheaper in every pricing scheme there is. NordVPN, while they may have improved every part of their app and mobile app and services like speeds and things like that, I think they do compensate that for an increase in price. Now, which app is better? TorGuard has more customizability and some more power features, where NordVPN feels a little more noob-friendly and automatic. It just depends on what you want to use. In this comparison, for me, I would wager that TorGuard is the winner just because it has a bit more features, live chat, cheaper price point, and pretty much everything that NordVPN TorGuard has as well. Now, you're going to also get a little bit quicker speeds with TorGuard with torrenting, although NordVPN speed test booted a little faster for my speed test in the browser. However, those kind of things can be kind of faulty, and take it as you will, but TorGuard won in the speed test for torrenting. Now, if you're a big torrent user, I would suggest TorGuard, since it also comes with a proxy, which is going to give you fast speeds as well, whereas NordVPN does not. Well, that's about it today, folks, for this NordVPN versus TorGuard comparison. Both two very good VPNs, actually, within my top 10 VPNs. If you want to see more comparisons, just let me know down in the comments below. This is Tom Sparks signing out from Best 10 VPN.